Hey, back at the field with my FlightLine F8F Bearcat. This is just a quick look at probably what will be my final setup of this plane. Start from front to back. I upgraded the motor to the 880 kV motor from Motion RC. Now the 880 kV motor prop adapter prop shaft doesn't fit the stock 4-bladed prop hub. To remedy that, you just basically take off the stock prop shaft from the stock motor and put it on the upgraded motor, and you got your regular 4-blade setup. The only other mod that I did was to the retracts, the gears. I raked these forward, and in order to get more forward angle, I took a Dremel bit and shaded into the wall, the back wall there, to allow the retract to angle forward. And I also dremeled a little bit into the front edge to allow the retract to slide forward a little bit. In addition to that forward rake, I replaced the wheels with actually the wheels from the Dynam Hellcat. The Dynam Hellcat wheels are like 2 3/4 inches as opposed to the stock 2.5-inch wheels. I fly this on the Admiral 4000, and that's where it's placed for me to get the right CG. And those are really the only mods I've done to this plane, except touch-up paint. And so I guess the next clip up will be the flight after.